Alright, so I just got done carpet shampooing, and I was gonna go tell Gabriel something. And I was like, hey, Gabe. Oh my god. Did you know that I'm not sure what this is. Not sure what position. Yeah, not sure. But yeah, that's how you sleep.